Hi, I'm Landry with Safeguard Medical, and today we'll be unboxing the SIMBODIES Pro Manikin. Your mannequin will arrive in a cardboard case much like this one. We do suggest you keep your cardboard case for any storage or shipping purposes. Once you open up your cardboard case, you'll find another black nylon zipper case. Let's go ahead and open up your mannequin. And you'll find your mannequin comes in a white sheet wrapped just like this one here, and a few accessories that are going to be specific to your Pro Manikin. First, you'll locate your quick start guide and other documentation. IO cover stickers. Maintenance kit. 2 IV cannulation sleeves. Repair kit. Surgical airway kit. 2 blood pumps. And 4 amputation sleeve covers, 2 for the arm and 2 for the leg.